The plan in 2020, the narrative, the make-believe narrative that is now before the Supreme Court of the United States, before the highest court in the land, this political theater, I've got to give it to them. I've got to give it to these radical leftists for being able to pull this off, because it is absolute insanity. I have to think when they close the doors, and they have their little meetings amongst their other egomaniac friends, I have to think that they sit there and they have a moment where they just die laughing. They think, I can't believe we've brought this far. I can't believe in 2016, we got people thinking that Trump used Facebook ad campaign people from Russia, Vladimir Putin's inner circle, to trick people to vote for him instead of Hillary. And now I also can't believe that we've tricked Americans into believing, enough Americans to give this sort of this political witch hunt the certain amount of public support that it needs. I can't believe that we've gotten this far with it. We just made this up out of pure desperation. We made this up as a last-ditch effort to keep Trump from dismantling the swamp, dismantling the machine that we've created in Washington, D.C. Can't believe it worked. And they're having some cheap laughs. Well, they're not cheap laughs because they've invested a lot. They've invested a lot in this narrative, but they're expensive laughs, but they're having laughs on behalf of, or as the result of just at Americans. Can't believe that they let this happen. Can you believe, I can see it right now, George Soros in the meeting looking at one of his other lunatic leftist friends and saying, can you believe Trump literally says in the speech to go peacefully and patriotically to the Capitol building, and yet we can now convince the American people that they were going there to overthrow the government and to establish Trump as king. We can convince these idiots of anything. I mean, I'm telling you, these are the kinds of conversations that they have to be having.